What's the meaning of childishly? Childishly. Childishly.
Childishly. Childishly. Childishly is an adverb that describes behavior that is immature or characterized by a lack of maturity. When someone behaves childishly, they are exhibiting traits that are typically associated with children, such as throwing tantrums, being selfish, or having a short attention span. Childish behavior can also involve acting recklessly, being easily influenced by others, and failing to take responsibility for one's actions. Ultimately, behaving childishly can be detrimental to one's personal and professional relationships, as it can make others view them as irresponsible and unreliable.